It's so cool talking to my friends on Booble Junkies. Plus the videos are crazy funny.
¿Qué estás haciendo, mijo?
Nada, abuela. Apenas estoy jugando en mis videos de observación de mi laptop.
Sí, ni necesitas estar en la cocina que cocina la cena.
Ok, ¿qué estás cocinando?
Pollo, arroz y alubias.
Abuela, no quiero eso otra vez.
Deja de quejarte, vas a comer, lo tenemos el bebé. Eres afortunado, nosotros tienes esto. Cuando era una niña que teníamos apenas comida, así que sé feliz que te bendicen bastantes para tener comida.
Sí, abuela, I sure don't want to eat that. But abuela will trip if I don't. I wonder where my friends are. What is this? Who's sending me a message? I've never heard of her before. I wonder why she's sending me a message. Well, I guess I'll talk to her. Hello?
Hi, how are you?
I'm sorry. I don't mean to be rude. But do I know you?
Oh, that's cool. My name is Misty. I was really bored and saw you online. I figured I'd give a shot to make a new friend. Is that cool? You're not some kind of weirdo, are you?
No, I'm cool.
I thought so. When I checked out your profile, you seem pretty cool, Mr. Galaxy Chaser 559.
Thanks. Why does your voice sound like that?
My mom says if I chat online, I have to have a voice-changing software for safety. Do you come online a lot to chat?
No, not really. I usually just play a lot of games and watch crazy videos.
Me too. I feel like you could be my best friend. Hey, I'm not supposed to do this, but my name is Misty. What's your name?
I don't really want to tell you that.
Oh, it's okay. Maybe we can get together sometime off the internet.
Hijo, es tiempo para orarme.
Okay. Hey, sorry, Misty. I have to go.
I'm so cold. I'm so fly. I'm on top. I can touch the sky.
What are you doing, dude?
What up, homeboy? I'm just chilling. You know, listening to some new rap music. What are you doing out so early, fam? Usually, you're in the crib on your computer as such.
Yeah, I'm cool on the internet right now.
Come on, man. Not my dude, Chills. The only way we can get you off the computer is if, they start making goofball videos and free video games to play. Stuff like that.
Yeah, bro. I'm cool right now on the internet anyway. Too many weird people are on the internet.
I hear you, dude. It's like my fans. They get a taste of my skills on the internet, and they can't get enough of my hot rhymes.
Lee, I'm being serious.
Man, and you think I'm not?
Come on, dude. I'm totally serious. I do like playing games online, but last night somebody tried to talk to me online and ask could we meet in person.
Dude, you do it way too much online.
What's going on, fellas?
Nothing, Mr. Franklin. Well, actually, something.
Okay. Well, what brings you both by?
Chills is on one.
No, I'm not. Dude, what are you talking about? Come on now, fellas. Lee, what are you talking about? Why are you saying Chills is on one?
Look, Mr. Franklin, I don't normally do this, you know what I'm saying, about homies. But Chills has been talking to some weird people on the internet that he don't even know. You know what I'm saying? That's straight up crazy.
Dude, why are you telling on me?
'Cause you ain't being smart, homeboy.
Okay, hold on, fellas. Chills, why don't you just tell me what happened? It was nothing, Mr. Franklin. There was some girl who tried to talk to me on the internet. That's all. Oh, that's all, huh? Did you know this girl? No. She just hit me on IM. Well, Chills, let's talk about this. I'm not gonna fuss at you, but I do want you to be safe. Did this girl have a name? She said her name was Misty, but I don't know if that was really her name. And you didn't recognize her picture or voice? No. She used a voice-changing software, so I couldn't hear a real voice. Well, let's take a look at this. First things first, I want to make sure you make good decisions. When you're online, never post your personal information, like your cell phone number, or your address, or the name of your school. Did she ask for any of that? Yeah, she wanted me to tell her my real name, and to meet in person. Oh, wow. Chills, it's cool to have fun online, but you have to be careful. look out and know information you give out there through social media, instant messages, emails, and blogs can let people start bullying you, or other bad things may end up happening.
But what if they want to meet you to show you who they are?
Never meet a person that you don't know in person without an adult or somebody there. Some people may not be who they say they are. Especially with computers nowadays, you never know who's on the other side of that screen, and they can change their voices or the pictures that they show you online. Do you understand?
I understand, Mr. Franklin. Thanks for your help. And thanks for looking out for me, Lee. I'm sorry I got mad at you, dude.
Oh, come on now, homeboy. You my dude. And I have to make sure you're safe. You can't be messing around with them weirdos online.
Now, Lee, I may not agree with everything you say, but I'm definitely in agreement with that, little guy.